Hey, what's up everybody? It's Chris from Fast Cars Live. I wanted to, first and foremost today, being Memorial Day weekend, tell everybody to please remember all those who gave their lives so that we can do what we love to do. And I just want to give you a quick update on the Project JPS Camaro and thank some of the people that have been helping us out along the way. I know building cars is tough, and it's even tougher if you don't have some friends in the business. So real quick, what you see behind me is the load of parts that we happened to pick up yesterday from Performance Online, and JC and his guys have been phenomenal to us, and we're very appreciative of what they've been able to help us out with. So I'm going to walk you through real quick what we got from them and give you a quick walk around the Camaro and show you what we're up to. So here we go. All right, so here is the load of parts. As you can see here, we've got the front and rear disc conversion from POL, including Hydro Boost. We decided on going with a Hydro Boost kit, which is going to be interesting because I've never set one up before. But our friends at Orange County Hot Rods, Kevin and Aaron, are telling us that's the way to go. So we're going to go ahead and give it a shot. We've got the Alden American, and the rear shocks are on the way, but we've got the Alden American coilovers from POL. Power steering pump. They hooked us up and upgraded us up to red calipers, which I'm not quite sure if you're going to be able to see them with the rally wheels on it, but that's quite all right. We got the stainless brake lines back there. We've got the upper and lower tubular A-arm kit from POL. We've also got their Hydro Boost hoses kit and power steering hoses kit. A new front sway bar. The rear one is also on the way. We've also got some rear relief springs and some subframe connectors coming from POL as well. What I would, those others that I would like to thank, I think I mentioned Champion Cooling Systems. They helped us out with a pretty cool all aluminum radiator. The guys at SoCal Rods have been great to us as well. They've given us some advice, and they're going to help us out when we get to the point where we're putting the interior in. And RAB Performance, we were talking with them about supplying a front runner serpentine belt kit. I'm going to hopefully head out next week to their shop in San Bernardino and take a look and see what they've got, and hopefully they've got something to that'll work on the Project JPS. So it's exciting. We're getting to the point now where it's starting to feel real after so long of not hearing this thing run and it being covered in a garage in Ontario, California. So I'm really looking forward to it. Just real quick, as you can see the walk around here, we're still working on the trunk. We've had some issues, a little metal warpage, and we're gonna fix that up here hopefully in the next couple days so we can finish getting the car undercoated. Just trying to keep it protected as much as we can. It is the original paint. The other thing we've done recently, I fixed the firewall, and I was a little premature in the fact that I forgot we needed to repair this upper cowl. In the cars that originally came with air conditioning, there was a slot cut out right here that allowed for the fresh air flapper valve. Well, we don't need that anymore because we're going with vintage air, and I wanted it to be a nice clean firewall. So I'm a novice at bodywork, so it took me a week to get this just the way I wanted it, and it's still not perfect, but again, we are not building a $100,000 street rod here. So all the interior is out of the car, and like I mentioned, the guys at SoCal Rods and in Upholstery are going to help us out a little bit with the interior. The other guy that I would definitely like to thank as I'm looking at the dashboard is I would like to thank Toby from Fuel Garage. He ordered us the American Auto Wire harness, and he's going to come help us install it. So that's pretty much it. Sorry for the messy garage, but that's what happens if you've ever built a car in your garage. There's never enough room. So anyway, thanks again for watching. I really appreciate it. Follow us along the way on the build, and I'm really looking forward to it and getting excited and hoping to get back out there and see all you guys at some shows coming soon. So please follow us on YouTube and Instagram, and please message us and let us know if you've got pictures or video of your car and you'd like to see it posted. Send us that as well. But thanks for watching. We really appreciate all you guys hanging with us. Take care.